6 amazing benefits of eating oats. Oats is the one superfood that can easily fit itself to suit your needs. Protein-packed, full of fiber, and low on fat, oats are designed to boost your energy levels and help you lead a healthy lifestyle. They are not only good for the stomach but are interestingly super filling, satisfying, and versatile. Oats contain a wide range of nutrients like fiber, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, etc., which make them top of the healthy food charts. Here are 6 benefits of eating oatmeal daily. Number 1. Reduces cancer risk. Lignin, the same compound which helps prevent cardiovascular disease, also helps reduce chances of hormone-related cancers like female's chest, prostate, and ovarian cancer. Therefore, eating oats is good for both men and women. Number 2. Supports weight loss. Oats is a low-calorie food which slows digestion and makes you feel full for longer, thus reducing your cravings and helping you shed a few pounds. Cholecystokinin, a hunger-fighting hormone, is increased with the oatmeal compound beta-glucan. Number 3. Protects skin. Oats have been used as a smoothing agent to relieve itch and irritation while also providing an array of benefits for the skin. Oatmeal is able to normalize the skin's pH. It also helps moisturize and soften the skin. Number 4. Prevents cardiovascular disease. The antioxidants present in oats are beneficial for heart disease, and the dietary fibers help lower the bad cholesterol (LDL) without affecting the good cholesterol (HDL). Oats also contain plant lignans, especially enterolactone, which protects against heart disease. Thus, oats help reduce your cholesterol levels and keep your heart healthy. Number 5. Prevents constipation. Oats are a rich source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which helps in regulating bowel movements and hence prevents constipation. Including oats in your daily diet can keep the issue of constipation at bay. Savor them as a part of your breakfast meal. Number 6. Control blood sugar levels. Since oats help stabilize blood sugar and reduce risk of type 2 diabetes, diabetics should consume oats regularly. The high fiber and complex carbohydrates slow down the conversion of the whole food to simple sugars, and beta-glucan delays the fall in blood sugar levels before meals and slows the rise after a meal. Try eating oats daily, and if you know any other benefits, please tell us in the comments below. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you never miss any of our upcoming informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.